reminds us that faith is not meant to be kept to ourselves. It is meant to be shared, lived out, and passed on. Mga classmates, we need to step out of our comfort zone to help others grow in their faith. You don't need to be a pastor, a theologian, or mentor to inspire and guide people toward truth and hope. Yet your actions will mean a lot in glorifying the Lord and giving more people the opportunity to accept His gift of eternal life. We can think of many reasons not to disciple. But if the condition of your heart is on the Lord, you will feel His presence and power urging you to make disciples. Believe me mga classmates, pag gusto, maraming paraan, pag ayaw, maraming dahilan. All you have to do is be an example of how a true, faithful Christian lives. Step forward even if you're afraid. Jesus has all authority and He is with you. Remember, mga classmates, Jesus doesn't choose the qualified. He qualifies you.